Welcome to Paste Time. We're glad you're here. I'll walk you through a fun, effective lesson to help elementary students build strong toothbrushing habits. Whether you're a classroom teacher, health educator, or community partner, this resource is designed for you. So why focus on toothbrushing? It may seem simple, but for kids, it's foundational. It's a small action with a huge impact. Toothbrushing is one of the easiest and most important ways to support long-term health, and teaching it early can help students form habits they can stick with for life. In this lesson, students learn to brush for 2 minutes, twice a day, morning and night. They'll explore 5 key brushing steps and start using a brushing chart to build a routine. The goal is not just understanding, but practice and consistency, supported by you and reinforced at home. You can feel confident using this lesson. It's aligned with national standards in health and physical education. It supports skills like accessing valid health information, understanding influences on health, and demonstrating positive behaviors. It also integrates social-emotional learning through reflection and routine building. Now, let's take a closer look at how you'll teach the lesson. We'll break down each step, from opening questions to closing reflections. Everything is laid out clearly, with room for you to adjust based on your group or setting. Don't worry, no cavities here, just clear steps and fun ideas. One key feature is the Paste Time song. This 2-minute brush-along song helps students learn and remember the brushing steps while providing a fun soundtrack for daily brushing.
First off, wash your hands for 20 seconds or more. This a brush along, do it to the song. Doc said at least 2 minutes long. 2 times every day, now you're never wrong. Brushing every way, now the plaque's gone. Inside and outside, the top side, bottom, just let your brush glide.
The full lesson takes about 60 minutes, but you can easily adapt it. It can be split across days, shortened for after school time, or used in small group settings. From pre-lesson checks to take-home tools, it's all designed to support learning and follow-through. The Paste Time Toolkit includes everything you need, a full 60-minute lesson plan with options to break it into mini lessons, classroom slides, worksheets, brushing chart, family letter, and pre- and post-learning checks. The toolkit also includes Spanish language materials. Create a plan to teach the Paste Time lesson. Pick your timing. Will it be one session or taught over a few days? 2. Review the materials. Customize as needed. Note any questions. Think about collaborators. Can a nurse or local dentist join the class? Download the slides. Make sure you can play the video. Print handouts. Send the family letter and brushing chart home. Hint, add local dental resources for families who may need extra support. You're ready to teach. This lesson isn't just about oral hygiene, it's about building meaningful, lifelong habits. It's also a chance to connect health content to student experience, using music and movement to make learning stick, and maybe even a little dance party in the hallway.
Teeth in the front, we'll Paste Time. Now all my teeth in the back, we'll Paste Time. Inside and outside, it's Paste Time. 2 times morning and night. Now all my teeth in the front, we'll Paste Time. Now all my teeth in the back, we'll Paste Time. Inside and outside, it's Paste Time. 2 times morning and night.
Thanks for joining us. If you have any questions, need support, or want to share how the lessons go in your classroom, we'd love to hear from you. We're excited to see how you bring Paste Time to life in your school or community. Let the brushing begin.
Give me a little bit of Paste Time.
This tutorial was brought to you by Hip Hop Public Health. We're a nonprofit organization that uses hip hop, art, and science to help kids and families build healthy habits for life. Like Paste Time? Check out all of our free educational resources at hhph.org and follow us on social at hhphorg.